Hello, dear all supporters. So here today I drive 1 hour to see one of the waterfalls. So you can see not too big, right? I do think that you have visited many great waterfalls, but this is already the biggest one that we can see nearby. And then we still need to drive 1 hour. So and then after a full month raining, so there has some water. Okay, the water is enough to make this a small waterfall. So you can see that. Actually, if you would like to drive 1 to 2 hours or even 3 to 4 hours, actually the scenery is really great. You can see many natural scenery nearby. This one only drive 1 hour, and then on the way the nature is already beautiful. All the roads are surrounded by trees. But here you can see the waterfall, you can see the water, and I do think that you can go down and then maybe try to swim or at least touch the water somewhere, you see. But of course you can see the climate is still so cloudy, and then the temperature is still around 17 to 18, and then it can be cool. So no one is swimming, and there I dare not swim. So you see that there are some shallow water here. I do think you can have a taste of water, and then you can have swimming inside. You can see that the water is surrounded and circled by some, maybe you can call it rocks, so that you see just right in front you can see some, is it gooses or birds? Yeah, I can see it here. And on the rocks just in front of my camera, just on the water. And then I think the water is shallow, but I don't want to try because I think it can be quite cool now. So just take a look at the waterfall. I can't see rainbow because maybe there is no sunlight now. But I can see that the water is not purely white. It is white and yellow and a little bit green. Maybe it is a reflection of the leaves or the plants underneath the water, or maybe some other ingredients in the water. So there is no sunlight otherwise. Maybe you can look here. So you can see that there are some rocks. Yeah, here maybe someone will try to climb down, but surely not me. But over there, such a shallow water, I think I can go down. And anyone, I think, if in summertime, can just swim there or at least step into water to taste the coolness of water. So hold up, you can come and let's visit the surrounding here, and then we can work here, promote Cantonese here. We can connect the people here. Yesterday Mother's Day, also celebrated my birthday on Tuesday. So I also talked with those mothers, and some mothers also have interest in visiting my ICAC NPO video to teach the children Cantonese, to allow them to watch the Cantonese videos so that they can learn the Cantonese themselves. And then I also tell them be updated so that you can enjoy some free classes online. And then even they are not too far away from the place I live, maybe sometime they can join my physical classes there. So this is time to make use of any chance to get connected with the people here and the surrounding cities by different activities and community networks. And of course, now what we can do is mainly by online, and then online can reach more people all over the world. So hope that you enjoy our video. Hope that you spread out our channels, our Facebook channel, our video channel, and thank you for like and subscribing, so that you can be updated by our videos. And it is also good help to us because we are approaching 700, and then we are approaching 1,000 with your good help. So see you, enjoy, and thank you.